President Bongbong Marcos gave gifts and even drove a train with children in Malacanang yesterday. He also directed all government agencies to ensure that the spirit of Christmas is felt by Filipinos despite various challenges. Mobile journalist Julie Baiza has that report.
As the holiday season approaches, President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. led a nationwide gift-giving program in Malacanang yesterday. The Balik Sigla Bigay Saya Nationwide Gift-Giving Day brought joy to more than 30,000 children nationwide. It was done in collaboration with the Department of Social Welfare and Development and some shelters and orphanages.
Welcome back sa Malacanang. At alam niyo naman, basta pag Pasko, ito ay open house namin dahil ganyan talaga ang naging tradisyon sa pamilya namin, pamilya Marcos. Nung bata pa ako at dito pa kami nakatira, basta't Pasko, meron kaming handa para sa ating mga maliliit na naalagaan. Kaya nandito po tayo ulit.
PBBM, along with First Lady Liza Araneta Marcos and Presidential sons Simon and Vincent, personally handed out the gift bags to them. The gift set includes trolley bag, pillow, socks, raincoat, tumbler, watch, and towel. The President also directed government agencies to ensure the spirit of Christmas reaches Filipino communities despite the challenges.
Nahirapan tayo itong nakaraang taon at tinamaan tayo ng nagumpisa sa La Nina na nagtagtuyot ang ating agrikultura. Tapos sinundan naman ng una yung El Nino, sinundan naman ng La Nina na puro bagyo naman.
He also urged the Filipinos to continue embracing the Christmas traditions.
Kaya sana naman, mag-Merry Christmas lang tayo kasi tayo ay nabigyan ng kaunting oras, kaunting pagkakataon na makasama ang ating mga mahal sa buhay, nakapag-celebrate ng konti, magsaya ng konti, at kumain ng masyadong maraming lechon at saka mga hamon. Yan ang Pasko para sa Pilipino.
Before the program, the President personally drove a trackless train with the first family and some children around the venue. Mobile journalist Julie Baiza, We Are One News.
And those are the top stories of the hour. Join us later at 9 a.m. as we continue to monitor the day's biggest stories. I'm Pauline Verzosa. We are One News.